All right. 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of Making Fun. In a previous episode, I made this shield, and I really want a weapon that goes with it. So I'm gonna make a club out of a 4x4 piece of redwood, and using the same metal strips and bolts as I did on this shield, so they'll really pair together nicely. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here it is in all of its glory. Now I've thought long and hard about what you name a beast like this. I thought Vera, I thought Little Angel, but I think we're gonna go with Trespasser's Will, which is short for Trespasser's William. I really hope that you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So this is Pumpkin. He's been with us for a while now, since about October.
We grew him ourselves.
We grew him ourselves from our garden.
He's in the intro.
This is an intro pumpkin. It is February and it is time to say goodbye to our good friend here. So we thought this would be a great send-off for our pumpkin if Trespassers Will got to take him out. So here we go. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'd say it works.
Oh, dude!
I didn't even hit it that hard, honestly.
It was cleft in twain.
I should call it Trespassers Won't. Round 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. See, the first time it wouldn't have been hard to clean up. No. Now we're gonna have pumpkins growing out of the lawn. Oh God, I'm gonna move. Yep, come on, pumpkins.
All right, getting myself into a sticky situation here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Into a club, similar in style, using metal strips, bolts to the shield. So they'll really pair together well for the post-apocalyptic landscape that we're all eventually going to be living in anyway. Just tell me what you want me to do.
Look like a badass.
Oh dear, might have to outsource that.
Yeah.
Ah! Come at me, bro!
Right. No one is coming at you with that.
No, probably not.
Ready?
Ready. I wish we could have gotten you flinching as well. One more.
One more. Okay. Stop making me laugh. Ready?
Ready. I'm glad that didn't hit you.
I'm glad it didn't hit marzipan.
Oh my God, that was right.
Okay.
It works.
Pumpkin smash.
Pumpkin smash time.
All right. What?
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Clean this up for me, would you?
Hey.